to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth believing just because He lives. How sweet to hold a newborn baby and feel the pride and joy He gives. But greater still, there comes assurance this child can face uncertain days because He lives. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth believing just because He lives. And then one day I'll cross the river, I'll fight last fight, no war with pain. And then as death gives way to victory, I'll see the lights of glory, and I know He lives. Because He